Juyi Hangzhou Technology Company Limited is a foreign trading company founded in 2019 as a cooperative partner with Zhejiang Jingnong Medical Machinery Company Limited, which has 20 years experiences in producing and exporting the sprayers. Juyi is operated by Raymond Lin in Binjiang District, Hangzhou, Zhejiang, the center of e-commerce where Alibaba originated. Now, we have various products range from high-pressure washers, sprayers to their derivative product, and will promote more in the very future. About our products, with supported by a group of big suppliers, which are professional in developing and producing our main products, we can offer the product which have premium quality with competitive prices. About our services, our factories are ISO 9001 registered, and our products could reach the special standards required by different countries or regions. We can meet the requirements of all kinds of customers. Our sales team are well trained and have good command of English and some other languages. With proficiency in products knowledge and foreign trade skills, we can give you best support and service. About our company, we are young and full of potential. We are fond of creating a new notion of foreigner trading affair with promoting market by social media. We are not only selling the product, but the passion of having the interests of our customer at heart all the time.